video, I'll show you how to use a clipping mask in just 2 minutes. So let's talk about what a clipping mask is. A clipping mask allows you to use the content of a layer to mask the layers above it. It means you'll only see the content of the clipped layers if it falls within the content of the bottom layer. So just to demonstrate, if I draw across this layer here, because it's linked and clipped to the base layer below, it'll only reveal marks that are made within the content area of that base layer. So how do you use a clipping mask? Well, first you choose which layer is going to be your mask. Then you click on the layer above it and select clipping mask from the menu. You can now see that by drawing on the top layer, that only marks made within the boundaries of the base are shown. You can stack multiple clip layers above your base layer, which means you can work in a really non-destructive way, changing what you need very easily. So when that client comes along and wants you to do something different, you can go to that layer and remove it and change it with something else. It's completely editable, and that's the real beauty of a clipping mask. Another great thing about the clipping masks is the clip layers can have their own blending modes. So each one that you add above, you can have like multiplies, overlays, pin lights, hard mixes, linear lights, and anything you want really. When it comes to moving the base layer to the other side of the canvas or anywhere you want really, just make sure that you get all the clipped masks as well. So treat them all as one very large layer, or a folder, like a folder of layers basically. So that's about it. I can see the 2 minutes coming up, and I did promise, so make sure that you leave a like, subscribe, and just show me some love in the comments. And if anyone has any questions, please let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. Cheers.